Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will see what is exception and exception handling. Exception is an event that describes the normal flow of the program, and exception handling is used to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. In Java, java.lang.throwable class is the root class of the Java exception hierarchy. This is the detailed flow diagram. So here throwable is the root class and it contains two subclasses, that is exception and error. Exception is again divided into other subclasses, that is IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, runtime exception. Runtime exception is again divided into other subclasses, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, index out of bound exception. Index out of bound exception is divided into other subclasses, that is array index out of bound exception and string index out of bound exception. Error class is divided into three subclasses, that is stack overflow error, virtual machine error, out of memory error. So we can handle exception but we can't handle error. For example, we have a program and we don't have a sufficient memory to run that. So at the time we will get out of memory error. Let's see the types of Java exception: checked exception, unchecked exception, and the error. So checked exception is checked at compile time. For example, IO exception, SQL exception. Unchecked exception is not checked at compile time but they are checked at runtime. For example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, etc. And error that we can't handle, out of memory error. These are the example. In Java, we have a 5 keywords related to exception. First one is a try. We can write exception code inside this try block. We can't use try block alone. Try block must be followed by either catch or a finally. Second keyword is a catch. So catch is used to handle exception. Third one is finally. It is executed whether an exception is handled or not. Throw. Throw keywords is used to throw an exception. Fifth one is throws. It is used to declare exception. It specifies that there may occur an exception in the method. It doesn't throw an exception. It is always used with method signature. Here we can see few example. First is a arithmetic exception. So here int res equal to 10 divided by 0. So here we are dividing 10 by 0. So here we will get arithmetic exception. Null pointer exception is the second example. So here we have assigned null value to str and then we are checking the length. So that's why we got here null pointer exception. Third one is a number format exception. So here we have assigned ONE as a string value and now we are converting ONE to integer. That's why here we got number format exception. The fourth example is array index out of bound exception, and here we have created one array A and we have assigned the index is a 6, like the capacity of this A array is a 6, and here we are assigning 5 as a value to 19th index and that index is not present there. So that's why we got array index out of bound exception. So I hope you people understood what is exception and exception handling. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe.